PVOX continues to monitor Canlaon and Taal volcanoes. Canlaon volcano remains under alert level 2. On Sunday, at least 17 volcanic earthquakes and 500 meters of plume were observed at Canlaon. Over at Taal, the volcano spewed a 2,400-meter high plume and 11,000 tons of sulfur dioxide. Taal volcano is still under alert level 1.
Paus ka.
Paus ba ako? Bedroom voice.
Yung Canlaon.
Bedroom voice.
Kala ko na ano yung Canlaon na usok.
Mausok nga daw doon, kaya yung mga tao doon sinasabihan na mag-mask. O yung basang bimpo,
If you
face
don't,
towel.
wala kang N95 mask o yung surgical mask at least, di ba, bimpo na wet ang gagamitan. Pero ang optimum daw talaga for yung mga asupre and ashfall is yung N95 kasi iba yung mas maliit ang pores niya, so nasasala niya yung mga particles, yung particulates na kailangan isala.